The kids' domain is a tough place to keep organised and tidy. As soon as you put it all away, there's a mess again. But with Command mounting products for kids, those days are gone. The new range of Disney books with a great range to choose from will have them smiling. So now you can keep things in their place. They're easy to mount. Hold on strongly and come off cleanly without damaging your wall. And because kids like to change things round, keep spare hooks and mounting strips handy for when they have the urge to redecorate. Taming a teenage boy's room needn't be a headache. Get things off the floor with Command products. Clear quick clips and poster strips are the ideal way to show off photographs, artwork, anything lightweight you want to display. For more great ideas on how you can use the Command range from 3M and save your walls, go to www.commandstrips.com.au.